Welcome back. Today we're exploring a premium cleaning upgrade designed for people who want powerful suction, smart navigation, and a fully automated cleaning station. This is the DREAME L50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, a high-end, all-in-one system built to handle deep cleaning with almost no manual effort. If you're looking for a robot that truly replaces traditional vacuuming and mopping, this model delivers some of the most advanced features available today. The L50 Ultra packs an impressive 19,500 Pa suction, which is extremely powerful for a robot vacuum. Whether it's dust, debris, crumbs, or deeply embedded pet hair in carpets, the L50 Ultra lifts everything with ease. Combine that with the HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush, and you get consistent cleaning performance without constantly needing to cut tangled hair. It's specifically engineered to reduce maintenance and keep suction strong day after day. One of the highlights is the fully automated base station. This station handles auto-emptying, mop self-cleaning, mop drying, and dirty water management, so your robot stays clean, fresh, and ready for the next run. You don't have to touch dust bags for weeks, and the mop stays hygienic after every session. It's ideal for busy homes that need regular cleaning without daily upkeep. Navigation is extremely precise thanks to advanced obstacle avoidance sensors. The robot identifies furniture legs, wires, shoes, toys, and other common floor-level obstacles in real time. Instead of bumping and guessing, it smoothly navigates around items with accuracy. The detailed room mapping system also helps it plan efficient routes, making cleaning faster and more thorough. The mopping performance is equally impressive. With intelligent water control, pressure-based scrubbing, and a self-washing system that keeps the mop pads clean throughout the process, the floors come out with a streak-free shine. You can customize room cleaning orders, set no-mop zones, and create schedules directly from the app. Thanks to the robot's powerful hardware and thoughtful engineering, it handles both carpets and hard floors exceptionally well. Whether you have pets, kids, or high-traffic living areas, the L50 Ultra offers a reliable and automated solution that keeps your home consistently clean. If you're ready for a robot vacuum that combines convenience, deep cleaning, and high-end automation, the DREAME L50 Ultra is definitely worth checking out. Hit the Amazon link below for more details, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews.